Hey, Justin here with Car Candy Automotive Detail Products, and I'd like to go over with you on how to use Elminator Iron and Decon Remover from Car Candy. Now, this is something that's a very unique formula because it has a color changing property to it that allows you to visually see it eating away the iron filings and contaminants that are in the pores of the paint or the rim surface that you're applying this product to. Now, when you apply this product, you're going to want to apply it out of direct sunlight on a nice cool surface, and of course that being the paint and or the rims as well. However, when you do spray the surface, this is a thicker viscosity, so it has a cling action to it. So spray it nice and even pattern so that way you get good coverage. And then from there, let it dwell. As it dwells, you'll notice the color changing properties start to activate, that you'll actually see the contaminants starting to actually break down and kind of emulsify out of the pores of the surface. Then after you let that dwell, you'll agitate, you'll rinse, and then move forward with a secondary step just to confirm that you removed all contaminants. If it doesn't light up again with that color changing formula, then you're good to go. You don't need to use any more on that designated panel. If it does light up again, then just repeat that process until it's cleared away, of course. And then from there, you'll hand wash the vehicle to neutralize anything left behind and of course clean up the surface. And that will allow you to have a proper chemical decon with Elminator from Car Candy.